Hello everyone! Hi guys! Good day my dears! Howdy! What's up? I don't know how to start. Hello everyone! Yeah, welcome to Much Better English. It's the best, I think. You know what hello means even if you don't know the language, as long as it's the basic sign of welcome in English. When it comes to learning the language, most likely you started with greetings. How to greet people correctly is an essential part of communication, as it can happen anywhere at any time, and you should know what to say if you want other people to have a good impression of you. In English, there are multiple ways of saying hello, and it's very important to be able to select the appropriate one for any situation, both formal and informal. But there is some overlap between the two, and you can almost never go wrong if you use some of the formal expressions. Let's get to the point. As you know, hello is the basic greeting in English, and hi is its shorter form. Both can be used in any situation, but hi is more casual, though it can be used in some formal settings. Hi is best used with family and friends, or when you want to get somebody's attention. As a casual greeting, we can use what's up. Sounds like a question, but it's not necessarily to answer. Just give a returning greeting. Or, being a question, it can mean what's new or what's wrong. Practice it with simple dialects. What's up? Hey, how are you doing? What's up? Nothing new. How about you? As usual, nothing much. Younger people will say sup. Sup is the shorter form of what's up. And if you want to show that you're on friendly terms with somebody, you can use some slang words like yo, howdy, good day. Usually we use expressions depending on the time of day. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or shortly, morning, afternoon, evening. These greetings are great for formal situations, but we can also use them naturally with our friends and family. Now let's look into the next expressions that may need some response. How are you? How are things? How are you doing? How's it going? What are you up to? How's life? What's new? If somebody asks you this, keep in mind to make returning greetings as how's it going? Not so bad, and you? I'm alright, thanks. How are you? I'm okay. How are you? How have you been? I've been good. How about you? How have you been? I'm good. How have you been? But sometimes things can be not alright, and you can even hear terrible, awful, so be ready to show your interest, as in the example. How's life? Terrible. What happened? I was fired. That's too bad. Now let's learn and practice possible replies. Here are some examples. I'm okay. I'm alright. I'm good. Not so good. Pretty good. So-so. Not so bad. Keeping busy. As usual. Could be better. Never better. Great. Can't complain. Today we have learned some basic greetings in English, and from now on we're gonna make videos for starters, so if you are interested in some special topics, let us know in the comment below and consider subscribing. Goodbye!